Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's a Q&A session. So let's do this as usual. Let's ask our questions and we're gonna get our answers. Um, Today is Wednesday, so usually we get meeting with reversal on Wednesday. So um, you guys should expect something like that to happen. Overall, this week the market has been doing so well. Most of the coins I share with you guys have been doing so well. You know, you can go check on my X platform and you will see most of the coins I share with you guys are already doing so well, like perfectly well. So if you're joining me, you have any question, feel free to ask your question. I'm here for you guys. I'm just trying to do one or two things today. Um, I'm not um in my usual setup. I'm in one um entrepreneurial place called Yes Box in Gothenburg. So I'm just sitting here trying, like, I have like a couple of hours here where I'm live. So yeah, we can communicate. So if you're watching, yeah, let's talk. I'm just gonna bring why would I tell you that, Chief? You have to ask real questions. That's not a real question. I don't have to tell that, and I won't tell you that. Hmm? For your safety and for my own safety. Okay, my friend. Um, Tell me where you're watching from. I trade and I invest at the same time. Or I do both. Or I've created a lot of videos on strategies. I do a lot of live videos on strategies. So if you wanna get either of my videos, you can go to my live videos, my videos on trading and also investing. I have analysis video. I have trading video, so you can go check all of those videos there. And if you want to trade with me, you know, then like if you want to get my buy and sell signal alert, like what I'm buying, what I'm selling, you have to join one of the exchanges that I'm using, which is Bitfinex. You join Bitfinex, and I trust them. I use them to trade. Or you're gonna pay $50 monthly to gain access to that VIP, and if you use my link to register and deposit at least $100 that you can use to trade, you can be my VIP for life, for life. But if you choose the monthly part, then yeah, it's okay. I don't have to look like a super, how do you call it? I don't have to look like a super pro. Hmm? I don't have to look like a super pro. Oh my brother. It's like you are new. It's like you are new. Yeah. Are you new? Ah, most of my my indicators, I created them through with Prime script. So I know how to use Prime script to an extent, but not like a pro. So I use AI a lot to help me with the strategies that I created with my indicator, like the better moving average, enhanced liquidity. They are my um, yeah, the indicators that I use. Yeah, I'm not. like those guys who started like let's say 2009. I got into crypto like in 2020. Then became like really full time with around 2021, something like that. Like let me say 19, 20, 21. I became like full time crypto. Yeah. So I'm not like if you mean new, like I've been here like 10 years now. I'm looking like going to like 5 years this year. It's gonna make me like 5 years in the space. Yeah, so yeah, that should make me a new person as compared to others who have been here like forever. So I witnessed the 2021 bull market. That time I was still a baby, still young in the market, and yeah, I got it. I got it. So time have passed. A lot of things have changed. Um, a lot of education, and yeah, if you have been here like forever, yeah, then you are an OG, you are an OG. But the question you ask regarding how much capital I have, that's not a smart question from someone who have been here for a long time. So that question is for newbies, for beginners, people who have been here, or who want to learn something serious. They don't ask such questions. They don't ask such questions, my friends. So, guys, if you are joining me, you have any question, feel free to post your question. I have a couple of trades here that I closed. Let me see. Hmm. Guys, if you are joining, you have any question, post your question. I'm trying to bring back my chart. Let me see. I don't know why. Guys, if you are watching, you have any question regarding the market, Bitcoin, altcoins, Memecoin, I'm listening. Um, this is the normal Q&A session. So if you have any question, then feel free to ask. Um, what or when you mean only mean like which coins do I like invest in long term? Because I long term I invest only in Bitcoin long term and trade most of these altcoins. So if you want to know the altcoins I'm trading, then I'm trading QNT, I'm trading Ethereum, I'm trading Bitcoin itself, I'm trading Solana. Currently I'm holding QNT Dawn, you know, and also BTC. So I'm holding like string trade. I also bought Manto OM. So I got it on Sunday. So that was my swing trade from Monday to Thursday. So I'm gonna get out from most of this position on yeah, tomorrow. I like I swing trade Usually I hold my trade 3 days, depending on market structure, like what Bitcoin is doing, something like that. Did I answer your question, Dovi? Um, Guys, what Bitcoin is doing, I'm not comfortable with what Bitcoin is doing on the daily time frame. Is that I'm not able to show you guys my chart. Let me just show you my chart so you see what I'm trying to say here. So what Bitcoin is doing on this time frame, I don't like it. Let me explain to you guys why. So you see, um, Bitcoin has been rejecting on around the 50-day moving average. You can see we have one, two, three, four touch on that moving average. So this is usually a bearish signal. And if you want to drive your trend more to the upside, you have to wait until you see Bitcoin close above the 50-day EMA. For now, you should be looking for short. So if we drop down to the 4 hours time frame, you can see, yeah, you can see that price has been moving below this 200-day moving average. You can see below it. So yeah, it's not something that I'm enjoying because we can see from here we marked downward, from here we marked downward, from here we marked downward. So maybe we are gonna break. So if we look at the bias for today, the bias for today is pointing to the upside, right? So maybe something is gonna happen. And yeah, if you are joining and you have any question, post your question. This is the normal Q&A session. So um, Mo Mogisha. Oh, Ivan, my guy. Let's go to Doge. Uh, Let's go to Dogecoin. Let's see where this bad boy is. Um, hmm, the bias for Dogecoin today is bullish, but um, it's at a resistance level on the daily time frame. So, let me just show you. Let me show you quickly, real quick, where we are with Dogecoin. So you see, we are here now with Dogecoin. So at the critical resistance level, right? For for now, I would say just hold your Dogecoin trade because we might break this anytime, maybe like let's say next week or this week. So the alpha trend already printed a buy signal, yeah, and price is holding this zone. So this is should be the zone where you are holding like tight. If you see Dogecoin leave the zone, like if we break below the zone, then it's not good. So want to see hold above this area, move sideways, swing, like move sideways, then maybe we expect the next move to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at for Dogecoin or in the event. You know, yeah, Dogecoin is gonna hit $1 for sure. I'm certain about that. Like, I'm 100. Well, it's not financial advice, of course, not financial advice, but it's gonna get to $1. That one, I am confident that Dogecoin is gonna get to $1. You know, but it looks good. Like, okay, now this is a weekly setup. Okay, and the weekly setup looks good. Look at this channel here. See, you see. Sorry. Look at this channel here. Let me draw it properly. Look at this channel here, guys. Oops. Oh, let me draw this to you so you can see properly. So look at this channel here, guys. Look at this. This is bullish. Okay, this is bullish for Dogecoin. So I think this bad boy is getting ready to do something really fantastic, right? Look at this. Look at this. So if you look at this movement here. You know, you see. So I think um we are at a zone where Dogecoin might make a huge move to the upside. So yeah, Dogecoin looks good. It looks good. So, like if you want to play Dogecoin game, don't like just buy spot swing trade Dogecoin. Um, you can DCA downwards because Dogecoin is one of the biggest memes in the space. So from where we are, it's a good spot buy. DCA down, DCA down. Um, I want to cash out 1.5 or $2. Is possible this cycle? No, no, no. It won't be possible. I don't think Dogecoin can get to 1.50. I think $1 is that psychological level that if you see Dogecoin around $1, then you're gonna start seeing more sell pressure, sell pressure, sell pressure. So yeah, that's something which I think um is gonna happen. Last cycle, everyone was expecting Dogecoin to go to $1. So it ended at 75 now, 75 cent. It didn't go to $1. But this cycle, I know Dogecoin is gonna go to $1. No, you know. So guys, one thing about crypto is this, like, okay, if you pick the winners in the market, right? If you manage to pick the winners in the market, what you need to do is double down on them. You know, I created a video recently on how to swing trade on the higher time frame using the alpha trend. Now I'm gonna release a video maybe tomorrow or weekend, and basically it helps you get into any coin, DCA into any coin at the right time, like from level to levels, on like if that coin is the right coin, then automatically it's gonna reverse, and when it reverse, you're gonna reduce your entry point. The idea is to reduce your entry point. Like let's say for example, if you got Dogecoin at 75 cents, you buy more at 40 cents, you buy more at 30 cents, buy more at 20 cents, buy more at 15 cents, buy more at 0.5 cent, 50 cents. So you keep reducing your entry level, to the upside. So when I start going to the upside, you don't need to get to 0.775 cents to start making money. Maybe from 0.35 cents, you are already in profit if you do that with the right coins. But if you double down on the wrong coin, it can take you to you can find you going down to like to the bottom of speed. You understand? Like Dogecoin looks good. It's so good. Perfect. You know, I love it. Like it's one of the coins I love to trade, because like it's guaranteed that you're gonna make money from Dogecoin when Bitcoin is moving. That's somehow guaranteed. Yeah. So I hope hopefully I answer your question. Lego King. If you are looking for something to buy now, which is at discount, you can place your bet on like no, not say bet because I bought it. It wasn't a bet. Ton coin is at a discount. Ton coin. Mm, did I sell my ton coin? I don't think so. Yeah, ton coin is at a discount currently, and also you can get in QNT. QNET is also at a discount rate. Um, Let me see which one. So the discount OM OM is at a discount too. So um OM has been holding strong. I'm waiting for the US market to open so I can get in. I took out profit around 0.225. So now I'm not waiting for price to actually get to um around 0.210 or 50 for OM mantra. You know. So I'm just waiting to see how the market will react. Let's see, do we have CPI today, or which day we have CPI this week? Let me see. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, we have CPI. Um, around three. Um, for China, I think CPI for China. We have PPI 2 p.m. So PPI is going to be at 2 p.m. So we should have to expect some volatility in the market today. Um, let's see. So we have CPI tomorrow. Yeah, CPI is tomorrow. So tomorrow, like today, tomorrow, hmm, most of these coins are gonna like the month. So um, let's just see how it goes. I think this can take Bitcoin to about. Um, I I've been thinking. I think Bitcoin can get to, not like I think, like I'm confident Bitcoin can get to about 118, $120,000 before we see any major dump, in the market. So I'm waiting to confirm Bitcoin bear market when I see Bitcoin reject $120,000. So if Bitcoin is not able to break and close above 130, $120,000, then that's gonna be awesome for us to focus on the downside. Guys, do you have any other question? I'm listening. Yeah, I can talk about baby Dogecoin for sure. Um, Let me see where we are with the baby. Well, I did a video about the top meme coins to buy. So check that video and mention baby Dogecoin there. But let me just go to the baby Dogecoin and see where we are with this bad boy. Let's see where we are. By the way, um, I called baby Dogecoin, I think, before this form. That's why I encourage you guys to be part of my um you know my Telegram community and also follow me on X. I shared I shared list of coins that are gonna do well this week. So before I go to Baby Dogecoin, let me show you guys the list of coins that I shared. I think that was on Sunday or Monday, something like that. So um it's fascinating how these coins are doing so well. So let me show you guys the list. Let me just show you guys the list quickly. So you can see this is it. Renda, AL, Tau, OM, Sui, Ada, Prime, OP. It's the list. All of these coins have been doing so well, so well. Except some few like APT, CIV, the rest has been doing so well this week. So follow. This is my X handle. Follow me on X, and you can join my Telegram community as well. You know, join my Telegram community as well. To get see this is my Telegram community. You can join it. You see the bottom crypto. Yeah. So let's go now to. I'm gonna take Baby Doge first before SLP. So now let's see where we are with Baby Doge. Um, I'm gonna take off. Let's take it on the weekly time frame. I love this. Okay. Now, in all of my Baby Doge video, I've mentioned you guys that we are at the bottom. Look at previous price action. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So this is a perfect buy for Baby Dogecoin based on previous price action. You know, so you can see clearly that we are now getting started. Like you see back here. Let me show you. You see back here. Um, let's go back a little bit. You can see this white um vector candle was created, and boom, look at this spike. Maybe wanna see something again here. Huge spike to the upside. So buying now spot or swing trade is something you should be doing. Talking about XLP, looking at let me see. XLP doesn't look good. You see, look at this divergent. Yeah, it's forming divergent. So the upside is not as significant as compared to the downside for XLP. But if I'm you, I want to be careful trading SLP. So this is SLP on the weekly time frame. You know, so give or take, let's say Let me just see. Let me bring in my measuring tool here. Let me see from here to this top, to this bottom. Yeah, so we can see this bad boy go to $4. Yeah, check out. We can go to $4. Yeah, that's a possibility. It can get to $4. And if it breaks that $4 price point, we can see it go to about $4.5. That I'm not thinking or I'm not seeing this SRP going to $5. I don't think it's gonna happen this year, maybe some other time. So yeah, XRP is looking great. But the downside again, you can see this movement here from the 50-day moving average didn't go to create any like normal high here. So um it means we might be heading to a 50-day moving average on the weekly time frame, and this might take some time to play out. Okay, you will not like be immediate, so don't expect this to be immediate. So that's what I'm looking at for SRP currently. If you have been holding SRP since like down here, yeah, you are good. Can keep holding, but be rest assured that maybe price can get to around this 50 moving average. Now on the daily time frame, let's see, yeah, on daily time frame, price is above the 50 moving average. Yeah, so guys, on daily time frame, it's somehow bullish because for now, because price is above the 50-day EMA. So yeah, um, uh, so what's your most bullish coin? Um, my most bullish coin is Ethereum and Aerodrome. Ethereum and Aerodrome. I'm gonna explain to you. I'm gonna explain to you guys why Ethereum and Aerodrome are my most bullish coin. Now, when you look at the narrative currently in the market, you see that Wall Street is trying to play the Bitcoin game, like what Michael Saylor has been doing with Bitcoin. So Wall Street now is getting into that game with Ethereum, right? And um, Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency in the space. And for the past, like since 2021, we haven't seen any real movement with Ethereum. Any movement. Price has been mostly down, 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 down. So where we are with Ethereum is based on like previous cycle. Now, the Ethereum need to create a new cycle, and this can take Ethereum to like $10,000. That's why the gains for Ethereum is guaranteed gain. You know, because if you look at what Wall Street is doing currently, Wall Street is pumping money into Ethereum, the ETF inflows, a lot of inflows coming in. These are all bullish. I called Ethereum a long time ago when it was still 1,300, right? I told you guys in the community that buy at least one Ethereum. I mentioned to you guys there, buy at least one Ethereum, you know, and now look at where Ethereum is. So if you bought Ethereum back then, you should be up more than 2x by investment. Now, the next coin I'm gonna be I'm bullish on like probably is Aerodrome Finance. Why? Coinbase have integrated Aerodrome into the Coinbase application. So if you are using Coinbase application, it means you have access to Aerodrome. And Aerodrome is the biggest DEX on the Base ecosystem. And Base is owned by Coinbase, meaning all the volume on the Base ecosystem is going to be going to Aerodrome on the Coinbase application. So if you are investing in Aerodrome, you are guaranteed that Aerodrome can at least 10 extra investment because of that. The biggest DEX is being integrated in one of the biggest platform in the space. So that's my most bullish coin that we focus on. So I'm doubling down like Bitcoin now, Ethereum, Egodrome, you know, but Egodrome is still the cap is still tiny, you know. So if I double down on Egodrome, I know like I'm investing in a product that have a future, So those are my two bullish coins that I'm looking at. You know, I think Ethereum is gonna go to $10,000, right? If we see any movement now, like you see break of structure, then we are going straight to about $7,000 for Ethereum, like straight $7,000 from where we are. Um, After that, we are going straight to $10,000. That like the reason I say 10,000 is because it's a psychological level. I don't think, excuse, but I don't think the market makers are gonna push price there because that's the zone everyone is expecting to sell. So yeah, 8,000 might be where they hold, then they can, you know, um, make a huge spike, like a huge spike to 10,000, like stopping volume to 10,000 before drop it. But I'm thinking 10,000, but 8,000 is the most preferred zone to actually sell. Don't be greedy. Yeah, that's psychological level. I think like this bull cycle. I think Dogecoin can get there. Yeah, you can get there. Can get there. And those of you who want to buy Aerodrome is at a good key area currently. You know, so yeah. mm, I'm I'm in one trade. Let me see what my trade is doing. Let me do like okay. Usually now is a time that I start moving because the new 4 hours candle is starting now. So it's now 8 minutes ahead. So let me look at what I want to look at what um Bitcoin has done. So let's see. I want to look at what Bitcoin has done so far. Um, Let me see Bitcoin on the Asia and UK session. So. Yep, 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 yep. Um, mhm. It's tricky, guys. It's tricky. Mm, I think there's not I think I can see liquidity. Let me just log into my coin bank. So let's see what we should expect with Bitcoin. But we should expect a false move on Bitcoin first. By the way, like the stream, you know, like the stream. Um, yeah, like the stream. If you have more question, I want to show you guys something here, real quick. So let me show you something here, real quick. Yeah. So this is the coin and liquidity. So um chart, like you can see, we have orders below and orders above price. So now You can see here the volume on the 1 hour time frame has been dropping. So we cannot expect any major move now until volume get back in the market. So, but you can see here, guys, look at this quickly. Look at this quickly. We have liquidity here, a lot of liquidity here. See 7 million. We have also how much there? 3 million. We have 7 million. We have 6 million. And above price, we don't have like we have 4 million. We have also 2 million. So we have this liquidity here already for Bitcoin. Now, I think because the volume is low, they might trick us. They wanna go down. So if they trick us like soon, if they trick us up there to 113 to grab this liquidity at it is 35 million worth Bitcoin, if they trick us and go straight up there, then they're gonna mark us back down here. But if they trick us like in a couple of minutes, well let's say from 3 o'clock or from now on, if they trick us down here, yeah, then you buy and then cash profit here, 113,700, you know. So in that case, you can get most of your altcoins entry down here, but we don't get fake out from most of the altcoins too down here. You see rejection, rejection, rejection with low volume, and this is not good. No, I sold already. Now I'm waiting to buy back here around this one. But if I see fake out there, I'm gonna look for short here. You know, so I wanted to show you guys this too. You see, what is super? What is super, guys? What is super? I have never heard of that coin before. Super. Some Mexi Global. Yeah, it's a Mexi Global. Hmm. It's an OG coin. Hmm. Let's see. Super. Let me do a quick research on Super. See, see, see. But I'm not seeing. Okay, it should be Super. It's on Bybit on Mexi Global. Hmm. You should have some volume. Super is the first blockchain built for automatic DeFi, a self-operating automated financial system. This is a layer one for high-speed smart contract with inbuilt data oracles, AI oracles, automation, and cross-chain messaging, which enables all new AutoFi primitive capable of generating revenue and redistributing it to apps and node operators, reducing reliance on block reward over time. It sounds interesting. I've not come across this blockchain ever. The volume is two, the market cap is 53 million. That's small. So there's an opportunity there. But let's look at the price action for Super. Let's see. Um, well, coins like this is my advice to you. On the daily time frame, wait for trend to flip, right? I'm gonna be coming up with a video. By the way, if you're watching and um you want to take one, like if you love what I do and you're enjoying what I do, my content is helping you, you see that I'm someone you can trust and trade with, then make sure you use either of my affiliate link on Bitronix. Like I want to recommend Bitronix. Trade with me on Bitronix. Then you're gonna be getting what I'm buying. I'm gonna be helping you with setups, helping you with analysis. So it's like basically you're getting my buy and sell data. But if you don't use my link, my affiliate link, because I am affiliate, so I'm trying to do this so I can build my affiliate program. So, it's how one of the ways we can, benefit from content and all this stuff. So, you're gonna pay of $50 monthly. So instead of you paying monthly fee of $50, I'm gonna recommend you just um create create free account with Bitronix using my affiliate link. And also, I'm gonna recommend you to, if you don't want to trade with me or your experience doing things yourself, good and fine. Also, you can be part of my community on Telegram. Join my Telegram community. Um, there I share stuff. Also follow me on X. There I share stuff there that you can take advantage of. Like also the points you are asking, I already shared on there. Let me see if I can share my Telegram link with you guys. Can I comment here while I'm live? I don't think so. Don't think I can comment here. Let me see. Now I'm gonna share that. I don't know if, like, just go to either of my past videos, check on the description, and you're gonna see the link to my Telegram community. So just go to my account, check any of my past videos, you're gonna see links there, not shorts, but videos. Now, super. Let's see. So my advice I'm gonna give you regarding super, if you think it's the best coin, right? It's not yet in a buy zone. Trust me. Super is not yet in a buy zone in at my analysis, because price is still below the 5-day EMA, 13-day EMA, the 50-day EMA, the 200-day EMA, and the average trend. Even the better moving average price is below. So the way I trade, I don't buy when price is below this moving average. So it means the momentum is not yet, you know. So I want to buy right now, like an investor. If you believe in the project, now is a DCA game. Now it's a DCA game, right? But you have to believe. For me, I'm looking at this based on, like, okay, at the same time, if I want to take advantage on a project that can make me gains this week, that week, next week, and so on, I'm looking for setups for when price is above this moving averages or these indicators. Now Post chain. I've never invested in Post chain. P yes, I don't know. I've never liked Post chain, but I've um hmm, hmm, that's not like I've never liked it. I've never invested in it. P P Yeah, Giga is one of those meme coins that I'm gonna do. Giga. I talk about some meme coins that I'm gonna do. I mentioned Bitcoin, Mocoin, I mentioned Miro, I mentioned Popcat. Giga also is among it. Filecoin is among those coins, you know. So PLs, let's see. PL. Hmm. Bluetooth. Is it Bluetooth? Let me just check Pulse chain. Pulse chain. What is it? What is the ticker of Pulse chain? What is the ticker? I cannot find it. Yeah. I can see only on Luna, you know. I cannot see any real stuff on the chart of the Porsche chain. So, mm, I don't have any data yet for Porsche chain. Guys, like the stream. like it, share it. Hmm. Guys, I think I'm gonna go now. We have been live, or I've been live, um, for 52 minutes now. Yeah, see you guys again. Um, if I'm not live tomorrow to analyze, like, to show my chart, maybe we do this again, like this. But we're gonna be doing this often. Like I mentioned, Q&A session. We look at your coins, your destiny. We talk about it, and then we see how it goes. But don't forget to join my Telegram community. Go to my X account, not my X, and follow me on X. That's what I mean to say. Right, ciao, bye bye.